gonna be playing Maple boat. And yeah, you see how my boat looks like this? Yeah, we're gonna upgrade it. But first, look what it looks like. Let's just show you guys. We're going crazy. Yep, I exploded. So this will take a long time to edit. Not edit, like edit the boat. You know what? I'm not doing it the stupid way. I know that you could just... I know there used to be a way that you could delete everything. See? I cleared it. I'm not doing that way. Yeah, let's just make a giant square. I don't care if my boat earns on offline. What the heck? I hate this game. I don't. It's annoying. See, it doesn't even let me tap. What the heck? Bro, are you serious right now? I forgot how to play this stupid game. Oh, it's back. What the heck? Okay, you guys see how I hate this game? What the heck? See? Like, it literally just, like, taps for me. It's so annoying. Like the video if you played this game before. And say in the comments that if this... Don't worry about that. We don't care about notifications. Bro, what the heck? I can't even play this game anymore. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, look. What the heck? I'll cut to half of the video, guys. my game glitched and it resetted my money. And I ran out of some blocks. I didn't really, but I ran out of a lot. See that? This is why I never play this game. Just warning you. Before they did this, it was never like this. I never had to like move around places. See, like. You know what? We're not focusing on these, okay? Let's just make it a little bit smaller. Bro, it keeps making me like invite my friends. Okay, what the heck? What the heck? I hate this game. If you play this game, you'll see what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is the worst game I ever played in my life. Tell Roblox and they'll hate me. And I don't care because this game sucks. Finally! Bro! Finally! I'm kind of, but kind of not good at this game. Okay, let's put the stupid fuel. It's so glitchy because I hate this game probably. Bruh. Fine. I don't care, as long as it's a boat. See? I'm just making the sloppiest thing ever because of that. See, I hate this game. You know what, guys? Comment why I'm playing this game. All right. at this, guys. I don't care what I'm doing, but it's gonna be sloppy. When I place all these, we're gonna be done because all the other stuff I wasted my money in the game on. Because literally, it does nothing. It would be nice if we wouldn't have that problem. Let's sail and see how stupid this is.